Express the two-dimensional continuity equation in cylindrical coordinates. A frac partial ho v r partial r frac 1 r frac partial ho v theta frac ho v r r 0. B frac partial ho v r partial r frac 1 r frac partial ho v theta ho frac v r r frac partial t 0. C frac partial ho v r partial r frac 1 r frac partial ho v theta frac partial t 0. D frac partial ho v r partial r frac 1 r frac partial ho v theta ho frac v r r frac partial t 0. The correct answer is frac partial ho v r partial r frac 1 r frac partial ho v theta ho frac v r r frac partial t 0. While using a finite element method, one has to approximate A. Boundary conditions. B. Integrals at grid faces. C. Derivatives at grid points. D. Shape functions and weighting functions. The correct answer is shape functions and weighting functions. Which is the first step in the numerical solution of a fluid flow problem? A. Discretization. B. Physical model of the flow. C. Mathematical model of the flow. D. Iteration. The correct answer is mathematical model of the flow. Which of these features of structured grids is a disadvantage? A. Easy to solve. B. Suitable for simple geometries. C. Efficient in memory requirements. D. Less time requirement. The correct answer is suitable for simple geometries. Choosing a particular type of discretization method is ineffective when A. Mathematical model is complex. B. Mathematical model is simple. C. Grid is coarse. D. Grid is very fine. The correct answer is grid is very fine. Which of these coordinates are not used in CFD? A. Orthogonal coordinates. B. Cartesian coordinates. C. Spherical coordinates. D. Number line. The correct answer is number line. What does the mathematical model of a fluid flow contain? A. Partial differential equations. B. Discretized partial differential equations. C. Partial differential equations and boundary conditions. D. Discretized partial differential equations and boundary conditions. The correct answer is partial differential equations and boundary conditions. The mathematical model is based on A. Physical principles and assumptions. B. Physical principles. C. Flow model. D. Flow model and assumptions. The correct answer is physical principles and assumptions. Each node has 4 nearest neighbors. This statement is correct for which of these grid types? A. Structured 2D grids. B. Unstructured 2D grids. C. Structured 3D grids. D. Unstructured 3D grids. The correct answer is structured 2D grids. Which of these grids are called Chimera grids? A. Structured grids with overlapping blocks. B. Block structured grids. C. Block structured grids with overlapping blocks. D. Structured grids. The correct answer is block structured grids with overlapping blocks.